Good afternoon. It is August 19th, 2024, and we had this range here in the overnight. It broke out, hit a measure, moved to the low side, came back into the range, tried to go down one more time, and it failed, and then broke out the high side. Hit the measure move. You can see we got a sell-off, and then we just uh, trended higher for the rest of the day. So here's how it looks on the daily chart. Another big bull breakout bar. And so now we've uh, pretty much engulfed this entire second leg down, second bear leg down. So anyway, let's take a look, see if there's any scalps in here. So 5 o'clock comes somewhere in here. I like these higher lows. You know, we keep making higher lows, clearly a channel. And so maybe not this one because it's not off the channel. Maybe you buy with a limit order down here and put your stop below this. I like that. Personally, I bought right here, or maybe on a limit order, and went for 4 points and got that. So you can see we test this midline a couple times before selling off and then bouncing here. And you know, you could consider this one. You could consider this one second entry long. Problem is you're in a range, so it's just you don't know what's happening. Clearly this midline is a level of resistance, so you know, maybe you consider this second entry short. We bounce again, boom, sell off. And I think if you go short here, I think you have to look for the measured move. I mean, if you get this break and big bear bar, maybe you take profits there, but just something to think about. You could go long right there. Now we're in this channel. Probably starts, it's probably like this. Yeah. And so again, here you probably want to go for the measured move. And you get this three bear bars. So if you don't want to exit there, maybe you exit right here when we match that high. You can see a lot of people did that. First entry, second entry. No good setups really. Boom, sell off, test the low. Then you get this higher low. I don't think you want to go long just yet. Get a failure, but it's like, I don't know. Maybe you could consider that, but it doesn't look like we're, you know, shooting through the EMA very strongly. I like this one, but it's just a higher low. I looked at this as a double bottom, first entry, failed second entry. Sorry, double bottom, first entry, failed second entry short. And that turns out to be a decent trade. Takes a minute for it to take off. And this is a two-legged pullback. You just wouldn't have that trend line drawn yet. Oh, it's not a low of the swing anyway. And so yeah, and then you get a nice little second entry long, higher low, right off the trend line right there. And then it goes sideways, and then you get a buy climax into the end of the day. So that's how I saw it today. You know, we'll see how the rest of the week plays out. Hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.